Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you a Dyson Supersonic hairdryer which I've just purchased from eBay, and to be honest the box looks extremely genuine. Before I even got to this stage, it was packaged and sealed in fine plastic, which you'd expect it to be, and the person I bought it off, the shop that I bought it off of from eBay, had 100% feedback and has been trading for the past 10 years. So I did my research before I actually purchased it from eBay for about £250. So yeah, I've done my checks and everything seemed to be fine. And I even when I received, it was a birthday present for my mum, and even when I received it, just without opening it, I inspected just the box it came in, and it just looked genuine. So, you know, I had no regrets really. But it was a birthday present for my mother, and after a week of using it, she said it was cutting out. So I checked the serial number on the box, and checked the Dyson website, and the serial number, which is over here, checked out fine. But I'm just going to show you, after doing a bit more research and checking the item itself, how I actually realized that yeah, it actually is a fake. So I'm just going to go and open the box here, just bear with me. So even when you take the cover off, you've got the Dyson logo there. The serial number which is on the box actually matches, I've covered a lot. The serial number matches the serial number on this label here as well, which can easily be copied, which is obviously what's been done. But the first indication, which I didn't notice, was the actual plug for the hairdryer. It looks extremely genuine, especially when it was wrapped in this plastic. You know, I didn't bother putting these on, but it came in these sort of packaging. It was wrapped neatly, very genuine, and you know, we've never seen an original Dyson unboxed. You know, in the flesh, really. You don't get these every day, so we didn't really know what to expect. So we thought, yeah, it looks great. But yeah, the plug you'll see here is actually, I believe, designed. This box is designed for the US design, and it has a switch, a yellow and red switch, actually on the plug. I think for cutouts and I don't know, for resets. But yeah, this plug, if it was a UK plug, it should also be a circular plug. This is just a standard square, or yeah, standard designed plug. And so that's one telltale sign. It should be a round, if it's a UK item, it should be a round circular plug. If you look on, if you look at Dyson hairdryer images on Google, you'll see it's a round circular plug. So that's one telltale sign. The next is these switches, which is on the back. So you'll see immediately the button on the back. It should have a round circular illuminating light when you turn it on, but it hasn't even got anything. It's just a silver button. And also, if I can bring that closer, you can see the blue. There you go, you can see the blue dot. I've actually managed to just scrape that off with nothing more than a piece of plastic. So if you do have one of these hairdryers, you don't even have to use your nail, just use like something plastic and just rub it on there, and you'll see it comes off quite easily. That's another telltale sign. The same with these buttons. Just have a look at it. They should really be, so I'll just angle that up with the camera. There you go. So if I just, there you go, it's already smudging it. So it's a very you can tell it's slightly offset, this circle red dot and the fan logo as well. Also, when taking off this filter, so just see, when going back to these, just see if you can scrape some of them off if they look a bit offset as well. As well as this, you'll have 3 LED lights that come on here. When you turn it on, you'll see they'll come on, but they should be very sharp LED lights. And I'll just plug it in behind me and show you. So if I turn it on, so if you press, you can see the lights do turn on, but they're very, they're blurred. It's not just in the camera, it's actually on the unit itself. It's a very non-sharp sort of blurred LED light which comes on. So yeah, don't be tricked into thinking these are genuine just because the lights turn on. They should be sharp, round circular lights, but really, yeah, these sort of telltale signs where the colors just scratch off quite easily. Let's see if this one comes off here. That's a bit more. Yeah, I can see one's already smudging. This one's already smudging. So I think we took this filter cap off as well, which comes off at the bottom. That is supposed to come off, but there's a lot of plastic sort of like glue over here. And then also you can see the cutting of this filter here. It's not as sharp as it should be. You can see it sticks out a bit over there. So it's just telltale signs like this that you can tell it's not Dyson that's actually created this one. So yeah, so that's it really. I mean, we were lucky. We managed to get a full refund on eBay and didn't have to send the item back at all. So be careful. Even though the seller looks genuine, they you know, and the item looks genuine, you really can't trust it, and you got to be careful. So we were lucky enough to get a full refund on this, but yeah, if you have any questions, just message me. I've still got the item and I can cross check against this one if your one is genuine or not. Thanks for watching.